Hi friends, today I will explain about the dentition in mammals, types of teeth and how it is arranged and what are the components in teeth. So these items I will explain. So what is the meaning of dentition? The arrangement of teeth in the jaws is called dentition. So every teeth is made up of dentine. The teeth is produced by odontoblast cells. In teeth, the toughest material is enamel. So main component in teeth is the material dentine is produced by odontoblast cells. So now we are discussing about teeth in mammals. Mammals means which organisms they give the milk to the offsprings, those are mammals. Example, human beings. In other mammals, you know very well about the mammals like cow, buffalo, those are. So generally in teeth, in structure, it has three parts: root, neck and crown. So root is always present in the gums. So the teeth is varies in types. So generally in mammals the teeth are four types. Those are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So this is like the types of teeth is present in any organism. The type of teeth is called heterodont dentition. Hetero means different in structure and function. In some organisms, in mammals also, only a single structure and the same function, those are homodont dentition. Generally every teeth it has a particular function. For example, in human beings, four types of teeth are there. Those are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So what is the nature of these four types of teeth? Generally these four types of teeth are present on the upper jaw and lower jaw. So first, incisors. So first arranged teeth on upper jaw and lower jaw are incisors. These are for cutting the food materials or prey. And immediately behind the incisors there is canines. So what is the function of canines? Generally the function of canines is piercing and tearing the material. These canines are highly developed in carnivores. Next, premolars. Generally premolars are immediately behind the canines. The function of premolars is grinding the prey or grinding the food material. And finally molars. Generally molars are for chewing. So these four types of teeth are present in mammals. Next, these four types of teeth, it has a particular number in every organism, especially in mammals. For example, in human beings totally 32 teeth. So arrangement is a diphyodont. Generally diphyodont means in lifetime of any organism there is two sets of teeth. two sets of teeth means, so first set milk teeth, next the milk teeth is replaced by permanent teeth, that is two sets, that is diaphyod and dentition. Totally 32, milk teeth 20, totally 32 in man. These 32 is expressed by a formula, that is dental formula. Dental formula means the total teeth are expressed by a sort of formula, that is a dental formula. For example, in human beings 32 teeth, the dental formula is 2123 by 2123. 2123 by 2123, totally 32 teeth are present. So next one, acrodont and thecodont. In some organisms, the teeth are arranged on the surface of the gums. Those type of teeth are called acrodont teeth, for example amphibians, example frog. But in most mammals and most vertebrates, the teeth are arranged in the pits of the jaws. The type of nature is called thecodont dentition. Thank you.